Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful Sankranti special fridge magnet on which I have created these super cute paper quilling kites along with the rings, marigold flowers, Til Laddu and Sugarcane along with the ears of wheat, and everything is related to the festival, and the magnet is looking super gorgeous, isn't it? With the small elements. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking two cardboard circles which are having 9 cm diameter, and I am sticking both the cardboard pieces together to make thick base. Now I am covering this with beautiful pattern paper with the same size. So this is done. Then I am starting with making the kite winder spinner, and for this I am taking one strip of orange color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, taking one more orange strip and making one more tight coil. Then joining both the tight coils together. Then I am taking 1.5 strip of golden color in 2 mm and making one big tight coil. Similarly, I have already prepared one more. So just adding these two tight coils on both sides of the orange tight coils. And to create the stick, here I am taking 1/8 strip of golden color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. So we need these type of two tight coils which are going to be connected on both sides of the spinner. And the super cute spinner is ready. Then I am starting with making the kite. For this I am taking total 3 strips of green color in 3 mm and making one loose coil. So first I am shaping it as a leaf shape. And then we just need to pinch on both the sides to create it like a diamond shape. So it should look like this. Then add glue and making the kite pattern on this using thin strip of gold color. Cutting excess strips. And then I am sticking it on green color cardstock. Then taking red color paper and cutting it in a triangular shape and one small diamond shape which will come on top of the kite. So the shapes are done. Now I am first cutting the excess paper around the kite and then sticking both the red shapes. So the super cute kite is ready. Very pretty and very adorable. And with a similar method I have prepared 2 more kites and 2 more spinners with the same method in different shades. Now I am starting with making the ear of wheat. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of light brown color in 2 mm and making one leaf shape. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of light brown color in 2 mm again, add glue on the strip, connect the leaf shape exactly in the center and fold the strip in half like this. And now on both sides of the strip I am going to stick some more leaf shapes. Then between each leaf pattern I am attaching the small pieces of brown colored strips like this, so that it will look more realistic. Similarly, I am going to attach the strip on another side. And the beautiful ear of wheat is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now I am proceeding for the sugar cane. For this I am taking 3 mm sap green color strip and just creating 5 loops in increasing order. Just cutting the excess strip, add glue in the bottom and just pinch it nicely. Similarly, I have prepared some more. So I am joining few petals like this to make the top of the sugar cane stick. Like this, allow it to dry. Now to create stick, here I am taking 3 by 8 cm brown color paper and start rolling the paper from one corner and create the pipe kind of shape. So the stick is ready. Now on top portion of the stick I am wrapping 5 mm gold strip. Cutting the excess strip and secure the strip and using glue nicely. So the sugar cane stick is ready. Now on top of this I am going to stick the leaves. And this is done. So pretty. Now I am starting with making the sweet plate. For this I am taking 6 strips of gold color in 2 mm and just making one big tight coil dome. Just pushing the dome from backside little bit to give it plate shape, and in the center I am pushing it from backside of the pen to make it flat. Now add glue inside the plate and allow it to dry. So this is done. Then to create Til Laddu or Til sweets, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light brown color in 3 mm and making one tight coil dome. Add glue inside this, and to give it realistic look I am just making some dots on top of this using brown color pen and also using white gel pen. And the super cute Til Laddu is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more. Now taking back my plate which is dried and decorating this using handmade Til Laddu. So the plate is ready. Now taking here 8 by 1 centimeter yellow color strip and folding it 2 times and start making the fringes. Here I am making marigold flower. Just roll the strip using quilling tool and make the fringe flower like this. Open all the fringes. And the marigold flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more marigolds with the same process. Now taking back the base, and I'll start decorating the base using all handmade small things like kites, spinner, and each and everything I am assembling on the base. Here, to extend the kite shape, I am attaching some colorful threads. These are embroidery threads on the base, so it will look more nice and real. So here I am using orange, red and green threads. And this is done. Then randomly here and there I am decorating with some square mirrors. These are 3 mm square mirrors. And this is completely ready. Now exactly in the center from backside I am connecting the magnet. Allow it to dry for a few minutes, and the super beautiful, super gorgeous magnet for Sankranti festival is ready. And in this way you can create magnets to give as a return gift in Sankranti festival. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.